I've just recently learned about Ortho Comfort shoes, and these are my favorite shoes. So I already have one pair, and now this is the second pair. They come along with a couple of insoles and a heel kind of holder that will, or support, I guess, that will go in and hold your heel if necessary, because these are wide shoes after all. They're really nice shoes. They come in these bags. A couple of things I like about them. First, look at the packaging. Not a lot of extra waste or anything. Look at that sole. Nice, big, thick, padded sole. They got a good tread on them. These are easy to walk on. This design, from what I understand, is easy to lift up. It's easy to come down on. It's like you're walking on a cushion of air, literally. Great laces. What I do is I tie them and I just step into them. They work like that really well. And the best feature, well, the biggest feature, is the wide toe box. So lots of room up here. And now that I've had wide shoes with a wide toe box, I never want to go back to those narrow things that squish my toes in and my big toe. Plenty of room up front. They look great. My last pair was a black pair. This is obviously like a tan pair. It's going to look great when I'm out and about. Really enjoy these, and you can decide which of the insoles you want to use. You got your 2mm or your 3mm, and then you've got your heel support if you want to use that. I want to thank Ortho Comfort for sending us these to check out. These are becoming and have become my favorite shoes for walking. Hope this helps.